Hello, hello, hello. Welcome everybody to Craft Portal. I am going to try to do something here today. This is officially my first video and I am sure I'm going to make 100 million mistakes. But we're going to attempt to make something here today. I'm going to... I have an issue with... I'd like to make sort of empty journals or naked journals. However, I would like to attach something in the journal that contains bits and bobs and tags and little things that people can then add into their journal, sort of like a kit, like a journal kit type of idea. Or alternatively, also something that I can use to send out happy mail with. I'm hoping that this is going to happen in the future. We can dream. And I would like to have something that's not going to be too expensive to mail overseas, because mail from South Africa is quite expensive. We have a bit of an issue with our normal mailing system. Thus, securing something and making sure that it actually arrives at the other end means that we need to use something like an international courier, something like DHL, etc. Sorry for all the I would like to apologize. There's things here that's out of my control, and I do realize that starting a YouTube video that way is probably quite difficult. I have no idea how to edit yet, so I'm pretty much stuck with making the recording and then uploading it. Now, my biggest concern is my dogs start barking. We have big dogs, and when they start barking, there's not much that can stop the noise, and I don't have any other option than giving a loud shout to them to keep quiet, to make them quiet, and I have no idea how I'm going to edit that out of the video. We're going to attempt this, and my apologies. I am absolutely open to criticism. If you find that the video is too long, or the video is too short, or my angle on the camera is too close or too near or too far, or this or that, I'm absolutely open to criticism. I would absolutely welcome it. I would love some comments from you. It's quite nerve-wracking making your first video, and I'm absolutely hoping for any kind of feedback. If you say just thumbs up, great. If you say nothing, then nobody knows what you thought. Nobody knows how bad it was. I've been watching some videos of, I'm specifically thinking of the Paper Outpost recently, where she did a sort of like a fabric pouch. I nearly said material. In South Africa, we call fabric material. So it's a fabric pouch to put your embellishments in, and it came out really nice, but I don't consider myself a seamstress, but even I knew a few things she didn't, so it made me feel like absolutely an expert. And I thought, well, I've been dreaming about this YouTube thing for years actually, and we're gonna do it. We're gonna attempt, and we're gonna do it. And you know, if there's consequences with the dogs barking and all kinds of things, I've got